All right, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the Monos Carry-On Pro. This is in olive green. As of this recording, there are only 7 left. So if you dig this color, check out the video and see if it's the right fit for you. All right, let's dig in. All right, so the Monos Carry-On Pro is made of aerospace grade polycarbonate, which makes it dent resistant and durable, which is great. And the olive green makes it look like a premium quality luxury type feel. But with that, it is $295. So it is definitely on the pricier side. So that's definitely something to consider. And whether or not you need a carry-on to be so durable. As you know, that'll be something that you'll be with you, not something that TSA will be throwing around or will be crashing down the carousel. So definitely something to consider with that price. So one of the key features of this carry-on is this front pocket that flaps down. It fits up to a 16-inch laptop, so my 14-inch MacBook Pro fits in here with plenty of space. In addition, you can put an iPad here. There's another pocket on this side. 2 pockets are pretty long on this side, one on that side. And then 3 smaller zipped up compartments to fit keys, wallets, passports, what have you. Now, one thing to consider, obviously, is whether you want your laptop in here. Typically, when I'm traveling, I have my laptop in my backpack, so it's on me when I'm traveling, when I'm in my seat, and I can just whip it out and ready to go instead of going in my overhead compartment and then fishing it out of my carry-on. But one thing that you can do, which I've done, is put the laptop in here as you're going through security, so it's easy to just zip, pull out, put it in the bin, and then put it in your laptop or in your backpack from there, so it's on you on the plane. So this is a pretty cool feature, I'll say that, but it may not be something that you like or need. Now let's talk about the main compartment. So the main compartment offers 29 liters of capacity, which is pretty decent, but on the flip side, it is, I think, 8 pounds? 7.8 pounds. So it is a little bit heavy already, but you're not going to be really lifting this all that much. Well, I guess to stow it away in the overhead compartment is one thing, but depending on how you pack it, it's really not that big a deal. So 28 pounds is on the heavier side for a 29-liter carry-on Pro, but but it's fine. Like, I don't really feel it that heavy. And it is on the smaller side of the carry-on luggage, so that's something to consider too. As for the handle, the telescopic handle, it feels sturdy, feels good. I hate a wobbly one. Like, this gives you a little bit of wobble, I think, as all of them will. Any telescopic one will. But the handle feels nice and ergonomic. Doesn't have a rubbery texture or handle. It's still with the same type of plastic, maybe a little bit softer as the rest of it, but it feels nice. Doesn't feel like it is wobbly or at all, but very ergonomic. I really like that. This luxury style leather name tag piece or identification tag is pretty cool. Leather strap and a nice looking black buckle to go with that sleek olive green with black accents everywhere. It's got the TSA lock, which is great, super handy. Side handle. This comes out a little bit, gives you a little bit of give, which is great. So you can fit your hand in there if you got big hands. So, is it worth the price? Considering everything that I've told you already, whether you need these features like the front side pocket, it does have the vegan leather accents. Like I said, the zippers are great. I really like the look. So it's really about the aesthetic. If you want to pay that premium price, there are other options that are really good as well, that are much cheaper. But I really like the warranty that they offer. So the warranty, I don't think I got into it. The warranty is what stands out a lot with Monos, and that's something I look for, is the customer service, and they have it a great one, and they have a 100-day trial. So if you pick it out, you like it or don't like it after 99 days, you can still send it back and no questions asked. And they also have a lifetime warranty, which is big. I like to buy things for life, quality things. So this is one of those types of items. So they'll repair or replace it. No questions asked again. So that is like the biggest ease off my shoulders for buying premium things. So I really like it. Worth the price. Up to you whether those things really stand out to pay that price. But I have no regrets at all. I really like it. And I'll probably buy from Manos again. I've had it for almost a year and I've taken it on like 7-ish trips and no qualms really. It's been great. Big fan. So please, again, if you like this content, like and subscribe. It'll let me know if you like this kind of content, and it kind of gives me the motivation to keep making videos. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.